In what ratio must water be mixed with milk costing 12 per liter to obtain a mixture worth of 8 per liter? Now, this is a very simple type of mixture and alligation question. So, in such kind of questions, we first have to write down the cost price of the first object mentioned in the left corner, the cost price of the second type mentioned in the right corner, and here we write down the cost price of the mixture. Now, once you do cross subtraction, what you get is the ratio of the quantities in which the two types are mixed. Okay. Now, let's focus on this particular question. Here, water is mentioned first, and the question asked is in what ratio must water be mixed with milk? Okay. So, water is to milk, that is the ratio we need to find out. So, order is important. Okay. Now, always remember we assume the cost price of water as 0 because the milkman is going to use freely available water. He is not going to buy water and mix it with milk. Okay? So we assume the cost price of water as 0 as per this. Then the next is milk over here and the cost price for that is 12. So 0, 12. And when milk and water are mixed, the mixture is worth of 8 per liter. So this wording, mixture worth 8 per liter, that is nothing but the cost price of the mixture. So we write down 8 over here. Now we cross subtract 12 minus 8, we have 4. 8 minus 0 is 8. So the ratio is 4 is to 8. We can reduce it further. It becomes 1 is to 2. So the answer is water and milk will be mixed in the ratio 1 is to 2. Answer is option A. Now you can see option B is also there. So if you get confused and write down milk value first, you will get the answer as 2 is to 1. Okay. So be careful and maintain the order in which the data is given and the question is asked.